trading for 2024 ends December 31st as the market community celebrates achievements. Ashon reports.
Stockbrokers say that 2024 was a year of great developments in the market space. They point to profitability of the NGX exchange in global ranking among 3 best world exchanges. For the last day of trade, the market came alive with celebrations as the leadership of the Association of Securities Dealing Houses of Nigeria, Ashon, was honored to close the year's trading.
We are the Association of Security Dealing Houses of Nigeria, meaning that all the operators of the market on NGS, which is our exchange, are members of the Association of Security Dealing Houses of Nigeria. So what better honor for us than to come and close the market for the year?
TVC News asked what role Ashon plays in the nation's capital markets.
We discuss and interface with the exchange, the regulators, the SEC, and all, even government. And then we also interface with the quoted companies that come to the market to trade. So we act as a go-between our market and the exchange.
Data from the NGX exchange showed the year's index grew above 103,000 points. Value of securities, bonds, and exchange-traded funds stood above 61 trillion naira. In the year-to-date calculation, markets grew by 37%, while 3 listings came into the markets in the year under review.
The way the market is playing now is different from how it was playing before. And the investors now have confidence in the market compared to what they normally have before.
A very remarkable year for the capital market, both at the equities end and the debt end. In fact, it's a year in which the rally of equities, which started last year, has continued with undiminished intensity.
Market operators honored the leadership of Ashon with their family song, while many people predict bullish run for the first quarter of the new year. Ashon, TVC News, Lagos.
Asian stock sees today in cautious end-of-year trading that has seen investors scale back bets of deep U.S. rate cuts in 2025 and braced for the incoming Trump administration, with the dollar standing tall against most other currencies. But MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside Japan nudged down 0.2%, set for an 8% gain in 2024, its second straight year in black. Now, Chinese blue chip CSI 300 index was flat. Hong Kong Hang Seng was 0.3% higher in early trading. On Wall Street, all the 3 major U.S. indexes closed with sharp losses and a broad sell-off at the end of the strong year, mainly due to end-of-year tax positioning, valuation worries, and uncertainties about 2025. Despite the year-end weakness, U.S. stocks have surged this year, with Nasdaq on track for about 30% annual gain and the S&P headed for a more than 24% rise. The gloomy year-end mood is set to continue in Europe, with Eurostock 50 futures down 0.67%, German DAX futures are down 0.62%, FTSE futures 0.08% lower. And crude oil prices rose today after a showdown. China's manufacturing activities expanded in December. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude sells for $71.42 per barrel, with an uptick of 0.61%. Brent also experienced an upward price margin of 0.51% to sell for $74.37 per barrel. Bonny Light sells for $78.62, with a decline of 2.84%. And for the OPEC basket, dealers are offering $73.91, with an upward review of 1.41%.